Today is a super exciting day. It's March 19th, 2022, and I am driving to my place in Qualicum to take delivery of a Mahindra tractor with front loader and backhoe. It's a subcompact tractor, the Mahindra Emax 20S, and it's supposed to be delivered this morning, and it's gonna go a long way towards me getting my workshop built. Expect a lot of tractor videos. Well, I am super excited. As you can tell, I've got the tractor delivered, and I'm just going to give you a quick walk around of what it is and what I think is really good about it, and then I'm going to drive it up and park it for a little while. So this is a Mahindra Emax 20S. It has a 1-liter 3-cylinder Yanmar diesel engine, putting out just shy of 20 horsepower. It's fully hydraulic. It's got the front loader. I ordered the backhoe for it. It's an actual proper frame mounted backhoe. Quick disconnect. The backhoe has a capacity of about 700 pounds. The front loader has a capacity of about 650 pounds at full height. The seat rotates so I can operate the backhoe. Comes with a 7-year limited powertrain warranty. Got the proper hydraulic outriggers for stability when using the hoe. Tires are already ballasted with calcium as far as I understand. Street legal in the sense of a farm implement being street legal. It's got full turn signals, stoplights, running lights. 4-wheel drive, 2-speed. Headlights and the whole shebang. It's even got the full rollover protection system. I got a lot of plans for this little thing, and I'm going to need it for building my workshop. Well, I gotta say I'm super stoked about this little subcompact tractor. It scrapes with the bucket great, seems to drive great, runs great, build quality is so good. I've got so much planned for it, and they give me a hat, so there's that too. Spend 30 grand, you get a hat. Thanks for watching.